Climate change. These are long-term shifts in temperature and climatic patterns. These shifts may be natural, but ever since the Industrial Revolution have been mainly caused by human activities, mainly burning of fossil fuels. Uganda's unique biophysical characteristic and unique location gives it a diverse climatic pattern, each of which is affected differently by climate change, with some areas with longer periods of rainfall causing overflooding, and other areas receiving longer periods of drought causing food scarcity. The government of Uganda has already set out to solve some of the problems caused by climate change by setting up irrigation schemes and introducing different varieties of drought-resistant crops. As for mitigation strategies, which refer to strategies that go to stopping the causes of climate change in the first place, our government has gone on a campaign of massive reforestation and has gone ahead to pledge 2.5 million hectares of degraded and deforested land to the Bond Challenge. In Uganda, more than 80% of our households are solely dependent on charcoal or firewood as a source of energy for cooking. The government has set out to encourage the distribution of energy-saving charcoal stoves which produce much less charcoal. The government should also encourage the production of briquettes, which is a more energy-conserving source of fuel formed from husks or sawdust. The government should ensure that all houses are connected to electricity and also should reduce the prices of other sources of greener energy like solar energy so that other houses can afford to buy these things and reduce the dependency on charcoal. Our beloved kitchen staff has also adopted the use of briquettes, which are cheaper, much more efficient, and have much less carbon emissions. The government of Uganda should also reallocate funds to support businesses like Kira Motors, which produce electric cars, which have no fuel requirements, unlike this one, which consumes a massive amount of diesel. This will reduce the carbon emissions released by the transport sector and also help with pockets ever since they raise fuel prices. Emission trading systems are also something the government of Uganda can imply. These are incentives and trading licenses that are given to companies only if they give their carbon emissions at a set amount which the government can set. This will encourage companies to adopt greener methods of production and massively reduce carbon emissions by industry. However, Uganda does not face the full force of climate change. There are massive climatic disasters happening, with polar ice caps are melting, rivers overflooding, and island countries and people along the shores are affected greatly by this. Massive organizations are being set up solely with the aim and objective of solving the problems caused by climate change. The power to counteract climate change is in each and every one of our hands, and even the smallest of actions can make a big difference. As you can see around me, Namilyango College has also set out on its own little campaign of reforestation. These trees were planted 5 years ago, and as you see, more have been planted over the years. The long-term effects worldwide are cataclysmic, and if we do not wake up and realize the severity of it all before it's too late. If we cannot protect nature, then we cannot protect ourselves.